Welcome to the Calming Anxiety Podcast. 10 minutes of daily guided meditation to soothe your soul. A moment of time out just for you. I'm your host Martin. Please do subscribe and share. For those in the supporters group, thank you so much for your care. Now find your quiet place today. That place that's comfy, where you can sit or lie down, where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes now and expand your awareness to truly feel, to appreciate the rhythmic rise and fall of each and every breath. A moment of time to allow yourself to heal, to find balance and understanding, to grow in strength and self-worth. So feel every moment of every breath. Connect with every fiber of your being and allow yourself to relax deeply, mindfully. And even if your thoughts wander, if you find yourself distracted by daydreams, tasks yet to be completed, this is natural. Simply acknowledge them with a smile, and then when you're ready, reconnect once more with the beauty of the rise and fall of every single breath as you continue in allowing yourself to drift deeply, safely into this mindful state of blissful tranquility. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Exhale all the tension of the day. Open your mind to the beauty of relaxation, of physical and mindful release. Further and further down. Deeper and deeper. Feel your shoulders warm, weighted. Your chest releasing tension, releasing negativity. Those bad thoughts that hold you from fulfilling your true, unbridled potential. So allow yourself to heal. Allow yourself to let go of past mistakes. And then, within the beauty of your wonderful mind, in the sanctuary of your consciousness, open your thoughts to visualize these wonderful words of connection, of balance, to see them bright, taking note of the colour that you visualize them in, the feel of them on your tongue as you imagine speaking them. But with every out-breath, with every repetition, you continue in letting go of self-doubt, of the negative thoughts that plague your mind. So relax, release, imagine and repeat. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. And still, with every repetition, you drift deeper and deeper into this natural, healing, trance-like state, developing a focus, a power of courage and self-worth, a new way of thinking. Relax, unwind, visualize and repeat. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. Further and further into mindful bliss, reuniting your mind, your body, your soul in one coherent unit, a being of positivity, a beacon of light to all those around you. Relax, let go, visualize and repeat. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. I am in tune with the balance of nature and the world around me. And now simply float, intimately connecting once more with the rhythm of your breathing, secure in the sanctuary of your consciousness, as if weightless, away from the turmoil of the world around you, growing with every thought, every breath, in strength, in focus, in self-worth. Relax ever deeper, smiling warmly to yourself, because simply put, you are worthy. Now take a deep, deep intake of breath, and now start to reorientate your beautiful mind, your focus to the challenges, the joy, and the infinite miracle of the world outside. Take another deep breath, this time really fill your lungs to the complete very top, and then stretch out those muscles in your arms and legs. And now open your eyes and smile. And well done for putting you first today. Now, if you're going through a tough time, maybe just give yourself another minute or two of doing something positive to you. Otherwise, go and help others. Smile. Embrace your challenges, your needs. And on that, if you wish, recently I launched a totally different YouTube channel, and it's about my life in my van, how I go about it, how I'm more mindful, the beauty that it's given me. I'll just say, I won't put it in the show notes, but it's called Only Vans Guru. So it's on YouTube. You just type at Only Vans Guru, all one word. And if you like something different or just support this channel, do subscribe, watch them through, give it a thumbs up, tell your friends about this mad English guy that drives around the UK with no purpose other than finding balance and happiness. Since I gave everything up, I'm not suggesting it's for everyone. I found me. So right now, I'm in my van in a torrential downpour, so I hope that's not spoiled it. But it's beautiful. Embrace your life. We only get one chance. Enjoy the passage of time. Love who you are, please. Take care, my friend. And let's speak tomorrow. And as always, in everything, be kind.